Welcome to another coding interview problem walkthrough. Today, we are tackling the four-sum problem. This is a classic algorithmic challenge often asked in technical interviews at top tech companies. It extends the concepts of the two-sum and three-sum problems. Let's define the problem clearly. You are given an array of integers called nums and a target integer value. Your task is to find all unique quadruplets in the array that sum up to this target. A quadruplet consists of four elements. Let's call them numbers at indices A, B, C, and D. The crucial part is that the result must not contain duplicate sets of four numbers. Here is an example to visualize the input and output. If our input array contains numbers like 1, 0, -1, 0, -2, and 2, and our target sum is 0. The output should be a list of lists containing -2, -1, 1, and 2, -2, 0, 0, and 2, and -1, 0, 0, and 1. Notice how each set sums to 0. The most intuitive way to solve this is using a brute force approach. We could simply write four nested loops to check every possible combination of four numbers. If their sum equals the target, we add them to our result. While this logic is simple, it is very inefficient. Why is the brute force approach bad? It has a time complexity of O of n to the power of 4. For large inputs, this will result in a time limit exceeded error. We need a better strategy. Our optimized approach involves three main steps. First, sorting the array. Second, fixing the first two numbers using nested loops. And third, using the two pointers technique to find the remaining two numbers. Let's visualize this. First, we sort the array. Then we fix the first number, indicated by pointer I, and the second number, indicated by pointer J. This reduces the problem. We are now looking for two more numbers, indicated by left and right pointers, that sum up to the remaining required value. Once I and J are fixed, we calculate the sum of the four numbers. If the sum is less than the target, we know we need a larger value, so we move the left pointer to the right. If the sum is greater than the target, we need a smaller value, so we move the right pointer to the left. If the sum equals the target, we record the quadruplet and move both pointers inward to look for other pairs. A critical requirement is to return unique quadruplets. Since we sorted the array, duplicate numbers will be adjacent to each other. We can simply skip over any duplicate numbers while moving our I and J pointers, as well as our left and right pointers. This ensures we don't process the same combination twice. Let's analyze the efficiency of this solution. Sorting the array takes O of n log n time. The two nested loops run in O of n squared time, and the two-pointer sweep inside takes O of n time. This gives us a total time complexity of O of n cubed. This is a significant improvement over the brute force O of n to the fourth power. To summarize, solving the four-sum problem efficiently requires sorting the array first. By fixing the first two numbers, we transform the problem into a variation of the two-sum problem, which we solve with two pointers. Remember to handle duplicates carefully to meet the problem constraints. This O of n cubed approach is the standard optimal solution.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.